Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright everybody, you don't know who this already, this Skilla, you see me? Now, this is just a warning for me to know some of the scene in this video and everybody I will like it. You see me I say? So it's not for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Let him go. Bumbo clock, let him go. Let him go. Level. Let him go. Make the man pass.
Now, if you notice, you can see say a few people don't really agree with a stunt or a dance like this because people are asking what kind of dance this. We don't know if this is a dance, you see me? But I would not recommend it for anybody to do. So don't try this at home. Do not try it at home. You see me? Now, this video footage hit social media and you know, I see it and I say to myself, say, I have to show my viewers them this because my viewers them really need to take a look and see what going in a Jamaica dancehall right now. You see? Now people are speculating and talk, all kind of things. Some of them are say him do it to make a name, right? That means to get the popularity. Some people say him do it for the hype. Some people say I drunk him drunk. You see me? So this is what I left it for you, my viewers. For tell me what you think about this. Is this really a dance? Is this a stunt? Is something wrong with this man? Or I just drunk him drunk? What do you think about a situation like this, alright? Anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way you just see is Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Big up on yourself, you see it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.